Hi, my name is Sasha Onishenko, and today I'm going to try to replace broken shutter of my Phase 1 DF Plus with the shutter from Phase 1 DF. Let's see if it's user replaceable and let's see if it works. A little bit of a backstory. So the shutter curtain on my Phase 1 DF Plus, actually it's Mamiya DF Plus, but it's essentially the same camera. It broke during a photo shoot. The quote from the dealership was $1,500 to replace it, and that's in Canadian. What I ended up doing instead, I bought two used bodies. They are Phase 1 DF bodies. One of them is here actually, that's the broken one. So one I'm going to keep as a backup, and the second one I'm going to use that shutter to put in the DF Plus. So I already have the shutter out. It was pretty easy to take out. It's essentially just plug and play. But let's see if we can make this work. So I'm not sure what I did here, but if your mirror is still down, what you have to do is rotate this wheel, and it will jump back up. Let's put it back together. So I also noticed that there is a little spring. It was out. I had to put it back together, back in its place. All right, let's put the battery inside and see if it works. Okay. I'm gonna take my back. Camera's off. Okay, so that's the sound we want to hear. Gonna take this lens. Turn the back on. All right. Let's wait for it to load. Let's try it again. Looks like it works. Alright, so it worked. Shutters between these two cameras, DF and DF Plus, are totally user replaceable. I was also told that Phase 1 XF uses the exact same shutter mechanism as these two bodies. Unfortunately, this shutter mechanism was built to work with film cameras, and they're not made to last as many actuations as digital cameras. If you follow Joey L, actually his XF failed on a recent shoot and it was broken in the exact same place. So unfortunately, all Phase 1 users are still going to have to wait for a reliable body. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Good luck.